How are you? This is Ben with Vessel Futures Trading. We're back in the market. Today we're going to talk about again the NASDAQ contract, the micro one, and a specific reason why we're choosing the micro one, because we are still in what's called a bit complex area. So we want to make our trade fair enough to not to risk too much. I want to say good morning to my Discord community, the growing Discord community. As usual, as I'm saying every morning, it's really a pleasure to see this community growing every day. More and more users, more and more traders, and it's just fantastic to see. So thank you for the support. It's not something that I'm taking for granted, and it's really beautiful to see keep the conversation alive in the group. And of course, those of you who want to go deeper within the learning, there's more private groups inside the Discord channel. There we're going to cover more positions. Those of you who DM me regarding courses, the courses are available online. All the courses are in the syllabus is spread in the website. As long as you go thoroughly on the syllabus, you understand exactly what you're about to learn. Of course, you're going to join this traders community. Of course, if you want to go deeper within the learning, also personal mentorship is available, and the affiliate program that we launched last week is keep on growing. So those of you who applied will be answered this week. I hope you're gonna get into the program, and we'll take it from there. So the NASDAQ contract today sits on lays down and makes a small correction to sit down on the what's called the major supply. We see how the price basically breaches this area, now lands on it, and what we expect to see over here, it's maybe a small accumulation of energy in this area, and then the price launching back up because we're still on an uptrend. So we're going to look for the opportunity today. We're going to go to the 4 hours chart, and we see how basically the price is literally sitting on this line that we marked right here and started to accumulate the energy. We saw the price basically launch after we called it out for the couple of weeks, basically accumulating energy on the major supply, and goes and breaches by a bit. And we were looking for this correction right here. We wanted to see the price doing this motion and then goes up again. So within the day, let us see where we can take a position for today. Basically, we were looking right now, we're gonna looking at the 15 minutes hour interval, and with the 15 minutes hour interval, 50 minutes interval, we see how the price basically, if I'm gonna cancel this night profile, we see basically this red line right here that we pre-marked, and we see how the price literally sit on it, and also it's parallel to a demand, and the price is already flipping hands. So we are now looking to see the price basically how he deal with this area is right here. I'm gonna open the night profile, and we're gonna see with the night profile, this area, this red line that we marked, is actually parallel to the low value area over here. And we have the high value area over here, which is parallel to this minor supply. So we know with this in this price, in this area, the price can fluctuate and change, but we don't want to rush into the position. So what we want to see, we want to observe how the price gonna slowly react when you get on those areas. So one possible position to take a short scalp from here, 5 to 15 minutes supply pull towards down this demand area. The second position, waiting for ambushing the price over here, which is basically makes the price make a huge correction over here, which is not likely to see because we're still on an uptrend. And then from here to take a long position upward. Of course, when we see the price, how the price behave, because within the 15 minutes interval, we saw how we already reached a supply area over here, which is the price basically retouched it 1, 2, 3 times, and now we see the power of the buyers stepping into the picture, landing exactly on the supply area, the major supply area that we marked the last previous weeks. So we're gonna to observe right now this position. We're gonna wait to see how it reacts towards the high value area. If it does react to it correctly, we're going to take short position from here to here. If not, we're going to just wait for the price to breach this area, make a small correction, and continue to rise up, and then enter another position. So I want to wish you a successful trading as always. I'm going to see you in the next market overview, and keep on joining the Discord channel. Just get free knowledge. It's so worth it. If you want to know how to dominate the futures market, you got so much knowledge being dropped up in this channel. I want to wish you successful trading, and I'm going to see you in the next market overview. Thank you for watching.